Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I bring you another look from the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. I am working through the little booklet that came along with this eyeshadow palette, and today we're doing look number 2 called Wanderlust, and I just think it's gorgeous. I think this has been, so far I've done this my 4th look. This has been my favorite look so far. I think it does look a little different from the picture. I feel like the crease colors are different from what we use today. But again, it could just be lighting and camera and all that stuff. So overall, I think it does look good. I think to achieve this exact look, I would use different crease shades than what's recommended. But I think it still came out very beautiful and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Today I am going to try out this color switch that I got in my FabFitFun box. I think it was like 2 boxes ago, their fall box I believe it was. So I'm going to give that a try because I did use some of these brushes yesterday. Comes this pretty little color switch pan in purple, and it has the little brush thing inside. Hopefully today's lighting is better than yesterday's or the last video. And I am going to clean this brush. Ooh, that is really dirty. Okay. Do you guys see that? Okay, this is good. I had something like this that I got from TJ Maxx a long time ago. It's at my parents' house with my makeup stash there. And I'll tell you, it worked, but it didn't work like this. So far, I'm impressed. My brush actually looks really clean. That is really nice. So let's go ahead and do the blending brush. Oh wow. Yes, 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 I say yes. Did you get that? I said yes. Do you guys see that? I may need to buy new makeup brushes soon because these ones are wearing out. I've had these for years. These are from Sigma Beauty and they are just like my favorite brushes. They're so good. I did do my nails last night, so in yesterday's video my nails was not done, but in today's video it is done. I did a purple color from Zoya and I did a matte top coat to get this finished because I wanted something not glossy. I wanted matte, so I gave it a try and I'm actually loving it. This foundation that I'm using is actually one I haven't used in a while. It's from Marc Jacobs. It's a mousse foundation. Looks like this. It's in the color medium beige medium, number 34. I did a video on this that I will just link now. I did a video on this like over a year ago. Anyways, let's stop talking. Let's get into it. I definitely digged into one of those shadows. Here's the palette if you want to see it. And let's get started. It says blend Afternoon Delight into the crease and blend upwards. Afternoon Delight. It is that shade right there. Definitely on the more fair brown color that there is, or lighter brown. To get this video going, I went ahead and pretty much did my face. I have powder here that I left because my experience with this palette has been, I'm going to put a skin tone color on my lids, is that depending on the shadow, they do have a lot of fallout, and it just would save time for me to go ahead and do my face. So I did already do that. I primed it already, so we're just gonna go right in. This one does not have a lot of kickback like the shadow I used yesterday, so that's a good first impression. So far I'm loving this color and there's not a lot of kickback from it, so that I'm already really loving. Step 2, press Peep Show onto the lid. Oh, I've been dying to use this color. It's the shade right here on the bottom. When I opened this palette, that's one of the first shadows that really stuck up to me. So I have been so looking forward to using this shadow. Okay. Okay, I am loving this. I am loving this shadow. If they sell this in like a single shadow, I think I would buy it. gorgeous. This shade is gorgeous. Next it says Smoke DME into outer crease and the lower lash line. Okay, I am liking this shadow as well. It does not have a lot of kickback either. So that's nice. I'm feeling so glam already. I should have done this morning so I could spend the whole day feeling glam. And the last step, step 4, is to apply all tied up to the inner corners. That's literally it for the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead. I did have a little bit of fallout from the lid shade. It's a good thing I had powder. Just sweeping off the excess powder. Okay, so now I'm going to curl the lashes. And they did not put eyeliner on this look. It just looks like they add some lashes on. So that should be the look. The only thing I have to say is that the colors aren't exactly the same. Like if you look, the colors that are here, of course, you know, it is camera, lights, all that stuff. So the colors are a little bit different. I feel like the colors that they use for the original crease shade was maybe a darker shade, kind of like Embrace Me, or more of a warmer tone brown, whereas the one we use is a very light brown. So I think that is what makes it a little bit different. I'm gonna try to smoke this out a little bit. I definitely would want to add a liner because I just love a nice black liner. Okay, so I add some lashes to try and help this look. It definitely makes it more glam for sure. But these lashes are giving me issues and they're kind of, you know, the more voluminous. It is the Ardell Demi Wispy Studio Effect lashes, so they are a little bit on the more fuller side. I don't know why I always do this whenever I do like lashes. Anyways, so they are just kind of like just doing, I am reusing these lashes, so that's probably why they're a little bit stubborn, but that's what it looks like. I think having lashes definitely does something for it. It makes the look even more glam. I'm just gonna add some highlight. This is a highlight from NARS. Probably should have added some blush because I have not put any blush on. So, hold that thought. I'm just gonna use Orgasm from NARS. Just a light little layer. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia highlighter. My hands are literally so dry from all the powders and shadows. I think we definitely need a nude lips. I'm gonna take this YSL lip color in number 70. Number 70, that's what it's called. But it's a nude. So this is the completed look for the Wanderlust look from the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. This eyelash is driving me cray cray. Stay in place here. Please stay in place. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video. And if you like seeing makeup looks like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube fam. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for being a part of my channel. If you guys want to follow me on social media, all of that is on the screen. I will say my more active space is Instagram. I think that's where a lot of people are connecting a lot and it's just easy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We've got 2 more looks to do from this palette, and if you want to keep seeing more, then we'll be done with looks from this palette. Of course, there's so many looks that you can create with this palette. We are just going to do about 6 of them total, and there's still so much colors that you can use. You can be creative, do whatever, but I am actually really loving this palette and I'm so glad I picked it up. And I think today's look has been my favorite look so far. Anyways, before I blab even more, I'm gonna go say goodbye. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!